Can we fix it, Bob the Builder? Yes, we can. Period. All right, what is up, y'all? We are back with another video. It is Friday, and as y'all can see, we have parts on parts on parts because our TV stand has finally come, and so I'm about to put it together. Please don't mind the fact that my edges are not done. I did not feel like doing them this morning. So yeah, I'm about to let y'all watch me put this together. It's a lot of parts, so yeah. So this is what we looking like, y'all. Look at all these freaking parts. I'm somebody that will read the directions over and over again, but this is what it's supposed to look like. So y'all are about to watch me put it together, child. Lord have mercy. Pray for me, pray for me. Alrighty, let's see. Why is there, that shows y'all how many parts there are. Why is there so many things? Jesus. I need a drill. Okay, let me get my drill. We need a drill. We got our drill. We need a screwdriver, a tape measure. Why do I need a tape measure? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. We need a tape measure. We need, let me just bring my whole, Bob the Builder. Can we fix it, Bob the Builder? Yes, we can. Period. Okay. So, pretty much got all I need right here. Now, you need a level. Why do you need a level? You're not, why? I have one, but like, why do you need that? I'm not mounting it to the wall. That don't make sense. Okay, step one, screw the legs on. This thing is pretty heavy, very sturdy. This is just, okay. So which one is this? Which one is this? Uh-oh. I'm assuming this is A. Oh yeah. So the two A's. Screw, screw, screw. How y'all feeling though? I'm excited. I've been feeling super excited lately because my housewarming is coming up, and just seeing my apartment come together. I'm just glad that I didn't get more stuff before I moved in, because my mind has changed so much about what I want this apartment to look like. So I'm just glad that I didn't go ahead and get the stuff that I was talking about getting before. So we're gonna screw the long pieces on first. It's okay. Oh my God, look at it. Yeah, that's right. Wow, okay. Now, adjust the collar height using the 4mm.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me.
Adjust the collar height. Recommended 50. A pen, I need a pencil, all that, for what, bro? Wow. Okay. M.A. All I need in this life is sin. It's me. Down the ride to the very end. It's me. I feel like I'm. These don't look like. Oh no, these are. Oh, these are the cable clips. Oh, okay. These are the cable clips. So why I say security clips? Okay. No, this is right. I did it right. I did this right. So, function. Made this more difficult than it had to be. They made this way more difficult. There we go. Yeah. Whew. Okay, so y'all, that's probably pretty much it of this video. I'm probably gonna just add this to the home improvement that I do with my mom, the vlog that I do with my mom. But yeah.